Hey everyone, welcome back to MyFitMed. Have you ever wondered why it seems harder to keep the weight off as you get older? Could it be your hormones that are causing those stubborn pounds to stick around? Today, we are diving into how aging affects your hormones like testosterone, DHEA, and estrogen, and why these changes can lead to weight gain. If you're curious about what's really going on in your body and how to fight back, stick around because we have got the answers. Let's start by understanding the connection between hormones and weight gain. As we age, our bodies goes through various changes, and one of the most significant changes is fluctuation of key hormones like testosterone, DHEA, and estrogen. These hormones are crucial for regulating metabolism, muscle mass, and fat distribution in the body. For men, testosterone levels typically start to decline in their late 20s or early 30s. Testosterone is important for maintaining muscle mass and healthy metabolism. So when the level drops, you might notice an increase in body fat, especially around the midsection. This isn't just about aesthetic. Losing muscle mass can also slow down your metabolism, making it even harder to keep the weight off. Even female needs testosterone, same as men, but in a lower amount. It helps maintain a lean muscle mass, which improves your overall metabolism. Now let's talk about other hormone called DHEA. DHEA is a hormone produced by adrenal glands and is precursor to both testosterone and estrogen. As you age, DHEA level decreases, which can lead to decline in both testosterone and estrogen. For men, this might mean more fat storage, particularly in the belly area. For women, lower DHEA can also contribute to weight gain, particularly after menopause, when estrogen level starts to fluctuate significantly. For women, estrogen level plays a crucial role in body weight and fat distribution. During the reproductive years, estrogen helps regulate fat storage, keeping it mostly around the hip and the thighs. But as women approaches menopause, estrogen level begins to drop and fat tends to redistribute to the abdominal area. This shift not only affects how you look but can also increases the risk of cardiovascular diseases and other health related issues. So what can you do to manage these hormonal changes and prevent unwanted weight gain? Here are the 5 important tips. Number 1, exercise regularly. Focus on combination of strength training and cardiovascular exercises. Strength training is especially important for maintaining muscle mass as you age, which in turn helps keep your metabolism active. Number 2, balanced diet. Make sure your diet is rich in protein, healthy fats, and fibers. These nutrients can help support hormone production and keeps you feeling full and satisfied. Number 3, consider hormone replacement therapy. For some people, HRT can be an effective way to manage the symptoms of hormonal imbalance, including weight gain. It's important to consult your healthcare provider to discuss the risk and benefit of HRT and get your hormones checked. The next one is stress management. High stress can lead to hormonal imbalance, particularly increase in cortisol level, which can contribute to weight gain. Practices like meditation, yoga, or even just regular relaxation can help keep your hormones in check by improving your stress. And the last one is sleep. Get enough quality sleep. It is crucial for hormone regulation. Lack of sleep can disrupt the balance of hormones like insulin and cortisol, which can lead to weight gain. In conclusion, while aging does bring hormonal changes that can make it more challenging to maintain a healthy weight, understanding how these hormones work can help you take control. By staying active, eating nutritionally dense food, and considering medical options like HRT, you can manage your weight and overall health more effectively as you age. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out any of our health and wellness related videos and tips. As always, if you have any question or tips of your own, drop them in the comment. I would love to hear from you and your experience with HRT or anything else we discussed today in this topic.